Did you know that Iowa has around 50 tornadoes, 10 flash floods, and hundreds of severe thunderstorms?
Hi, today we are going to be discussing some of the forms of severe weather in the Midwest and some of the safety precautions you can use to better prepare yourself and your families.
When it comes to severe weather in the Midwest, one of the most common forms of severe weather is a thunderstorm, where they are not always dangerous but can cause harm to yourself, your family, and property. Always pay attention to your radio, cellular device, and TVs to stay informed of any weather activity in your area or around you. In the event of a severe thunderstorm, make sure to stay away from windows and debris as it can come in. Stay in a room away from exterior walls if you do not have access to a basement. If you have a basement, then it is best and safest area to be in. If you're outside during a thunderstorm, make sure to stay away from tall metal objects such as tin buildings, poles, and it is not advised to use an umbrella. If at all, avoid hilltops or high areas as lightning seeks higher altitudes. Places to seek are outside in ditches, culverts, undersides of wooden bridges, concrete bridges, storm cellars, and tornado shelter. If you hear thunder, then lightning is close enough to hit the area that you are in. Be sure to look for safety areas such as severe weather signs and tips on where it is safe to be in your home.
By far one of the most dangerous types of severe weather is that of a tornado. A tornado is created from differences in air temperature swirling around to create a cyclone of wind. Tornadoes are usually accompanied by other forms of severe weather, such as thunderstorms or hail. It is extremely important when severe weather happens to keep informed in case the weather changes. Tornado weather alerts can be placed into two categories: tornado watches and tornado warnings. Tornado watches happen when a funnel cloud begins to form. Funnel clouds are the start of a tornado. However, not every funnel cloud fully forms. It is best, however, to be prepared if a tornado watch occurs. A tornado warning happens when a funnel cloud touches the ground. Tornadoes differ in strength and size. However, always find a safe place to be when a tornado occurs. If you are outside, pay attention to where the tornado is moving. If the tornado is not moving, it is coming towards you. If that happens, move to a safe zone immediately. Indoors is the safest place to be. However, if you are outside, find low ground. Ditches and culverts are good examples of safe places to be when outside. When there, lay down and cover your head with your hands. This is to prevent debris from striking you in the head. Whenever a tornado happens, a local weather alert will sound off. This is known as a tornado siren. There will be an example of a tornado siren in the description of this video. Be aware that a test of all tornado sirens happens the first Tuesday of each month. Also be aware that many small towns use a siren similar to that of a tornado siren to tell the difference in time. There is an example of a time siren also in the description of this video. Tornadoes can happen almost everywhere. They are most common, however, in the Midwest, in an area known as Tornado Alley, which has a higher chance of tornadoes occurring there and moving there. With severe weather, it is important to make sure you take the right steps for safety, not just for you, but for your friends and families. Be alert, be prepared, and watch out for any warnings or watches that could occur near you. For more information, please go to the websites in this video's description or any newscast or broadcast station.